South-South cooperation is defined as the exchange and sharing of development solutions among countries in the global South. And it is very important because it is based on the premise that countries, especially the middle-income countries, have development solutions. Even though the poorest countries in the world have something to share with one another.
Together, we will help mobilize investments, demonstrate green technology, and enable green collaboration.
We are fed up of the hollow and empty promises for climate change made by the world people.
People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth.